This is my go-to Play-Doh recipe. It's quick, affordable, and always turns out so soft and squishy. So let's get down to business and make some dough. Before we begin, if you're wondering, these aprons are made by Poppy Face Store. Very cute, love the colors. They were gifted to me, so the link will be in the bio if anyone wants to check them out. Let's start with all the ingredients. This is going to make a giant batch, so you can put different colors and make a whole bunch of different Play-Dohs. First, we're starting with the dry ingredients. 2 cups of plain flour, 1 cup of salt, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, 1 1/4 cups of boiling water, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Keep some extra water and oil handy in case your dough is a little bit dry. You can add colours, flavours and glitters in now. I'll be adding my colour later. Now with boiling water, you do not need to use a stovetop. Just pour your wet mixture in bit by bit until it turns into a dough. Mix until it feels sticky but not wet. Once formed, allow the dough to cool and knead it for 2 to 3 minutes until smooth. Now if you're adding colour in later like I am, you need to separate your dough into different sections, creating a little well for the colour to sit in. Add your colours and begin kneading it through the dough until it's the colour you desire. This part does get a little messy, so I do recommend wearing gloves if you're not partial to rainbow hands. You can get creative and do a marble effect by adding 2 different colours as you knead the dough. For the blue, I went all out vibrant and did 6 drops, and this is what happened. This Play-Doh should last 2 to 3 weeks easily, or longer if your child doesn't leave it open all day. I store mine in a Ziploc bag, but you can use any airtight container, and that's playtime sorted. I hope this becomes your new go-to recipe for playtime. It is so quick and easy to make.